15 simple psychological tricks that actually work. What if I told you that mastering a few simple psychological tricks could change the way you interact with others? In this video, we're revealing 15 easy yet powerful psychological hacks that actually work. Stick around to learn how you can use them in your everyday life. 1. The power of silence. It might feel uncomfortable, but staying silent after you've made a point or asked a question can be incredibly powerful. When you pause, the other person is compelled to fill the silence, often giving you more information or even agreeing to your terms. This trick works well in negotiations and when you need to persuade someone. 2. Mirror their body language. People naturally like those who are similar to them, even in subtle ways. By mirroring someone's body language, whether it's their posture, gestures, or even their tone of voice, you create a sense of rapport. This can make the other person feel more connected and comfortable with you, often leading to better communication and stronger relationships. 3. Use their name frequently. Our names are incredibly personal, and hearing it used in conversation makes us feel recognized and valued. By using someone's name throughout a conversation, especially at the start and end, you build rapport and make them feel more engaged. 4. The foot in the door technique. This involves getting someone to agree to a small request first, which increases the likelihood they'll agree to a larger one later. It works because people like to stay consistent in their actions and commitments. Start small, then build up to the bigger ask. 5. Offer a choice. Instead of asking yes or no questions, present options. For example, instead of asking, "Do you want to go out for dinner?" say, "Would you prefer Italian or Thai for dinner?" This technique makes the other person feel like they're in control, even though you're guiding the decision. 6. Compliment genuinely. Compliments, when sincere, are a great way to build goodwill and make someone feel valued. Focus on something specific and meaningful, whether it's about their work, style, or character. This creates a positive atmosphere and can make the other person more receptive to your ideas. 7. The Benjamin Franklin effect. This psychological phenomenon suggests that people who do you a favor are more likely to do another one. It works because they've subconsciously justified their action by deciding they like you. Start by asking for a small favor like borrowing a pen and watch how your relationship builds. 8. Highlight a small weakness first. When you acknowledge a minor flaw before talking about your strengths, it makes you appear more honest and credible. This tactic, known as the pratfall effect, can actually increase your likability and trustworthiness, especially in situations like job interviews or negotiations. 9. Nod while you speak. This simple nonverbal cue can encourage the other person to agree with what you're saying. When you nod, it signals confidence and agreement, which can subconsciously influence the other person to respond positively. 10. The 5-second rule. When you're hesitating on taking action, try counting down from 5 and then just do it. This trick helps bypass procrastination by pushing you to act before your brain has a chance to overthink. It's especially useful for tasks you tend to put off, like sending an email or making a phone call. 11. Stand with your feet apart. Adopting a power stance where your feet are shoulder-width apart not only makes you appear more confident, but also makes you feel more confident. This posture can help you take control in situations where you need to make an impact, such as giving a presentation or negotiating. 12. Break the touch barrier. Light, appropriate physical touch, like a pat on the back or a handshake, can increase feelings of trust and connection. This small gesture can be particularly effective in building rapport, as long as it's done in a respectful and context-appropriate manner. 13. Use the scarcity principle. When something is perceived as rare or limited, its value increases in our minds. Whether it's a limited time offer or a product with limited availability, highlighting scarcity can prompt quicker decisions and increase the desire to take action. 14. Ask open-ended questions. Instead of questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no, ask questions that require more thought and elaboration. This encourages deeper conversations and often reveals more information, helping you understand the other person better. 15. Smile more. It's one of the simplest and most effective psychological tricks out there. Smiling makes you appear more approachable and friendly, and it's contagious. When you smile at someone, they're likely to smile back, creating a positive interaction that can set the tone for the rest of your conversation. So there you have it. 15 simple psychological tricks that you can start using today. Whether you're negotiating a deal, meeting someone new, or just looking to improve your social interactions, these hacks can make a big difference. Remember, the key is to use them subtly and sincerely. People can always tell if you're being genuine, so keep that in mind as you apply these tricks in your daily life. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with someone who might benefit from these tricks. And if you're interested in more content like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. What psychological tricks do you use in your life? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.